Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about CK Infrastructure Holdings Limited annual report. CK Infrastructure Holdings Limited provides a diverse range of businesses and services across various sectors. At the core of its operations are energy infrastructure investments, which include power generation and transmission facilities. The company also invests in transportation infrastructure, such as roads, bridges, and tunnels. In addition to these key areas, CK Infrastructure Holdings Limited is involved in water infrastructure development, including desalination plants and water treatment facilities. Waste management is another significant aspect of the company's operations, encompassing waste collection, disposal, and recycling services. The company also engages in waste-to-energy projects, which convert non-recyclable waste into electricity. Furthermore, CK Infrastructure Holdings Limited has a presence in household infrastructure, providing essential services such as gas supply and distribution. The company is also involved in the production and laying of asphalt for road construction and maintenance. Its cement business includes manufacturing, distribution, and sales operations. In terms of property investment, CK Infrastructure Holdings Limited owns and manages a portfolio of commercial and residential properties across its operating regions. Securities investments are another key aspect of the company's activities, with a focus on infrastructure-related assets. Project management services are also offered to support the development and operation of infrastructure projects. Overall, CK Infrastructure Holdings Limited has established itself as a comprehensive provider of infrastructure solutions, spanning energy, transportation, water, waste management, household infrastructure, property investment, securities investment, project management, and cement production. CK Infrastructure Holdings Limited maintains a market capitalization of $163 billion, broadly in line with the industry peer group. CK Infrastructure Holdings Limited trades at a higher price-to-earnings ratio of 19 times and a higher price-to-book ratio of 1.3 times relative within the industry. While the stock does not screen as absolutely cheap, mixed valuation signals relative to industry peers prevent a definitive conclusion. With the broader industry trading at lower valuation levels, this may reflect transitional pricing dynamics rather than clear mispricing, warranting further analysis of earnings quality, growth sustainability, and balance sheet strength. The balance sheet appears very conservative, with liabilities representing only 17% of total assets. While this indicates low financial risk, investors should examine the composition and quality of the company assets to determine whether they justify the current valuation. Average liabilities have declined over the past 5 years, indicating improving balance sheet discipline and reduced financial risk. Shareholder equity has grown consistently, but operating income growth is weak or inconsistent. Equity expansion may be driven by financing activities rather than core business profitability. The share count has remained broadly unchanged, indicating no significant dilution or buyback activity over the past 5 years. The company have a dividend yield of 3.99%. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. The primary drivers of revenue growth in the company can be attributed to several key areas. Firstly, sales and interest income from infrastructure investments have seen a significant increase of 11.4%, contributing substantially to the overall revenue growth. Additionally, the share of results of associates has grown by 4.5% and joint ventures by 16.3%. The Hong Kong segment has also experienced a notable rise of 10.4%, while the continental and Chinese segment has seen an increase of 12.5%. Furthermore, the Canada segment has contributed to revenue growth with a 10% increase. On the other hand, there are several areas that have led to a decline in revenue. Notably, other income has decreased by 34.1%, indicating a significant drop in non-operational earnings. Sales of infrastructure materials have also declined by 20%, while interest income from loans granted to associates and joint ventures has seen decreases of 22% and 18% respectively. The Europe segment has experienced a minor decline of 0.3%, as well as the Australia and New Zealand segments, with declines of 4.8% and 3.9% respectively. Management is optimistic about the company's future prospects, citing its ability to capitalize on upcoming growth opportunities. This confidence is reflected in their commitment to maintaining a strong capital structure, which will enable them to pursue new investments while managing bank loan maturities effectively. Overall, management appears to be positioning CKI for continued success and expansion. That concludes the financial summary for CK Infrastructure Holdings Limited. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.